Imagine sitting in a warm room, yet you can't seem to shake off that persistent cold feeling. Your friends are comfortably dressed in light clothing, while you feel the need to wrap yourself in a blanket. This constant sensation of cold could be more than just discomfort. It might be a sign of something deeper happening within your body. Let's explore this phenomenon in a more detailed and scientific way, with relatable examples. The body's system in iron. Is your blood underperforming? To keep you warm, your body relies on proper oxygen delivery via your blood. Hemoglobin, found in red blood cells, carries oxygen throughout the body. If you're low on iron, hemoglobin production may drop, reducing oxygen supply to tissues, especially in extremities like hands and feet. A relatable example. Have you ever noticed that your hands feel icy even on a hot day? This could be a sign of anemia. A simple blood test and consuming iron-rich foods like spinach or iron supplements can help address this issue. Thyroid function, the engine of your metabolism. Your thyroid gland acts as the engine for your body's metabolism. If it's underactive, your metabolic rate slows, and your body struggles to generate enough heat. Why it matters. People with hypothyroidism often experience dry skin, fatigue, and unexplained weight gain. A simple TSH test can reveal your thyroid's condition, and appropriate treatment can restore balance. Low body fat, losing your natural insulation. Body fat acts as a natural insulator. If you recently lost significant weight or have very low fat levels, you might feel cold more often because your body has lost some of its insulation. Tip: weight loss is great, but if it comes with constant coldness and fatigue, it might be time to revisit your diet and include healthy fats like avocados and nuts. Vitamin B12 deficiency. Is your nervous system supported? Vitamin B12 is crucial not just for producing red blood cells, but also for maintaining a healthy nervous system. A deficiency in this vitamin can cause persistent fatigue and cold sensations. A real-life scenario. Someone following a strict vegetarian or vegan diet, avoiding animal products, may experience coldness due to insufficient B12 levels. A blood test can confirm this, and supplements or fortified foods can help. Dehydration, a hidden link to cold sensations. It may sound surprising, but dehydration can make you feel cold. Adequate water intake is essential for maintaining proper blood flow, and dehydration disrupts your body's natural heating system. Example: if you drink less water during colder days and find yourself shivering, dehydration might be the culprit. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily, even if you don't feel thirsty. Stress and anxiety. How the mind influences the body. Psychological states can impact the autonomic nervous system. Chronic stress and anxiety cause blood vessels to constrict, reducing blood flow to extremities, which can result in cold sensations, particularly in hands and feet. Why it matters. Have you noticed your hands getting cold during stressful moments? This happens because of reduced peripheral blood flow. Relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga can help counter this effect. More serious issues. When to be concerned. In some cases, persistent coldness might point to underlying medical conditions like uncontrolled diabetes, kidney disease, or autoimmune disorders. Symptoms such as severe fatigue, weight loss, or swelling might accompany the cold sensations. Example: someone with diabetes experiencing nerve damage might feel coldness or numbness in their extremities, even when the room is warm. What can you do? A simple path to identifying the cause. Complete blood count to check for anemia or red blood cell issues. TSH T3, T4 tests to evaluate thyroid function. Vitamin B12 levels to identify deficiencies. Fasting blood sugar and HbA1c to rule out diabetes. Kidney and liver function tests. Check BUN, creatinine, ALT, and AST. Electrolyte panel to assess fluid balance in the body. In conclusion, feeling constantly cold may stem from something as simple as dehydration or insufficient calorie intake, or it could hint at more serious issues like hypothyroidism or anemia. If this sensation persists over time, don't ignore it. Consult a doctor, get the necessary tests, and make lifestyle adjustments as needed. With proper care and attention, you can restore your body's natural balance and enjoy feeling comfortable again, no matter the weather.